Hi, this is Krista at The Secret Yarnery. Welcome to crochet class number 21. Today we are going to learn how to do back post double crochet. So we did our front post double crochet in the last class. Now we're going to be doing back post double crochet. So it has the same idea, except we're going to be working in from behind. We're going to be putting our hook in from behind our work, on top of that post, and back out. So it's a bit more awkward, but it's the exact same thing, just working from behind instead of in front. So wrap your yarn and put your hook behind your work from the back side and poke it up before that next stitch. Lay it on top of that stitch and then push it back down so it is behind. You have that post on your hook from the back side. Now you can kind of fold your crochet and pinch it. Don't feel like you have to be crocheting like this and you can't see what you're doing. Just flip everything up and pinch it so it's out of your way. And now just do your double crochet around that post. Just like that. So that is our first back post double crochet. So wrap your yarn, put your hook down to the back side and bring it up, lay it on top of that very next post and push it back down to the back of your work. So you just have that one post on your hook. And now finish your double crochet. So grab your yarn and bring it through. Wrap your yarn and take off 2, wrap your yarn and take off 2. And that's your second back post double crochet. Now I'll show you what it looks like in slow motion. That is your back post double crochet. I hope you enjoyed this class as much as I did. There is a link to the playlist for all of the classes in the description box down below. And if you haven't joined or subscribed to this channel, go ahead and click those buttons under this video right now. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments down below, and we'll see you in the next class. Stay hooked.